There are 5 features packed into the pre-week planner: gratitude reflection, drawing board, mission in progress, weekly meal planner, and your cue. The gratitude reflection feature is all about celebrating the little things. It's space for you to write down 3 things that you're grateful for or 3 wins from the previous week. The goal is to end the week and start the new week on a more positive note. When we included this feature, we had in mind that many of you would be planning your week out on a Sunday. So it's a beautiful ritual to help you transition from one week to the next. The drawing board is extra space for you to do whatever you like with it. You can use it as space to write down a massive to-do list and then slowly feed that into your weekly spread. That is how I personally like to use the drawing board. So I kind of use it as a space to brain dump. You can use it as space to write down a weekly journal entry, brainstorm new ideas, draw, write down recommendations that you get during the week. It's completely up to you. It's the most customizable and flexible space in this planner. So think of it as space to create the feature that you've always wanted in your own planner. The mission in progress section connects back to the mission statement framework, the goal setting framework. It's all about connecting back to your long-term goals and keeping them top of mind. As we all know, it's very easy to set goals earlier in the year and then forget all about it. So this is a bit of a goal check-in for you. It's space for you to identify what goal-related tasks you can realistically tackle during the week. You can also use the mission in progress feature to prioritize. If you're not currently pursuing any goals, use it as space to identify your top priorities for the week. That way, you can focus your time and energy more mindfully. The weekly meal planner is space for you to plan out your breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks for the week. There are so many benefits to planning your meals in advance. It allows you to make more mindful food choices rather than just defaulting into what is the fastest, most convenient option. You don't need to plan every single meal. I personally just use the dinner section because I tend to have leftovers for lunch and I always have the same breakfast every day. It can also be very helpful to take a look at what your week looks like. If you've got a busy Tuesday, for example, it might be worth cooking up a big meal on Monday so that you can have leftovers on Tuesday. It just allows you to take a more mindful approach to planning your week. If you don't want to use it as a weekly meal planner, you can use it as a food diary, or you might choose to customize the space completely. We've had a few Curation users customize the space simply by replacing the labels, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and the days of the week to labels that suit their needs. Your cue is a series of weekly challenges at the bottom of your pre-week planner that is designed to help you practice a little more mindfulness during the week and help you step out of your comfort zone.